In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Paths tool in Gimp to remove unwanted elements from your images effortlessly. Now, if you're new to Gimp, don't worry, I'll walk you through this process step by step, making it manageable and even enjoyable. Gimp is an excellent, free, open-source image editing software, often considered a great alternative to Photoshop, perfect for those looking to refine their photo editing skills. First things first, we need to open Gimp on your computer. If you haven't yet installed Gimp, you can easily download it from their official website. Just follow the installation instructions provided there. Once you have Gimp open and ready, let's dive right in. The Paths tool is what we'll be focusing on today. It's quite a powerful tool that allows you to create complex selections to edit images precisely. You'll find this tool in the toolbox, usually represented by an icon that looks like a pen or a fountain pen, depending on the version you're using. Once you click on the Paths tool, you'll use it to draw around the area of the image you'd like to remove. You can encircle an object or create a custom shape around the specific elements that you want gone. Use the tool to click and create points around the unwanted area, forming a line between each point. Take your time to ensure your path closely follows the contour of the area for a cleaner removal. Once you're satisfied with your path, we'll need to convert this path into a selection. To do this, look for an option, usually in a menu at the top of the screen, or by right-clicking on the path itself, labeled something like Selection from Path. Click this option, and you'll notice a row of marching ants indicating your selected area. Now, you might wonder how to remove the selected part seamlessly. This is where the Clone tool comes into play. It allows you to fill the area you've selected with surrounding pixels, making the removal look natural and unnoticeable. First, click on the Clone tool, which resembles a rubber stamp. To use this tool effectively, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on an area with texture or color similar to the one you're removing. This action sets your cloning source. Then drag your mouse within the selection boundary. You'll see the unwanted area start to blend with the background, disappearing as you move your mouse. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully removed an element from your image using paths and cloning in Gimp. This technique, though simple, offers a lot of flexibility and control, really showcasing the power of Gimp. Whether you're touching up personal photos or working on projects, mastering these tools can open up a world of creative possibilities. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different paths and techniques to achieve the best results. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!